In reality, the people who get fluent faster aren't lying to you. Even though there are a lot of scammers out there and a lot of people who are lying, there are a lot of people who I would consider myself in that group who aren't arbitrarily underestimating the definition of fluency to match their results, nor are they lying about the amount of hours that they studied, but rather their hours of study was worth more than yours. And that doesn't make you worse than them. It just makes you different. Okay. And this is why at the end of my videos, I say stay humble, because fundamentally the mindset that a lot of people have when they're learning Spanish is that, wait, this guy got a better result than me, but he can't be better than me. So therefore he's lying. And so that's the ego talking. It's telling you that if I can't do it, then no one else can because I'm better than everyone else. And that's a really poor mindset to have. If you think like that, then you're right. You won't ever get fluent because your belief contradicts the path to fluency. But the truth is that your study was probably just less leverage. The truth is that your study was just less efficient. The good news is that isn't unchangeable news, okay? That is actually something that you can change. You can today start and make your 1 hour of study worth way more than the average person's hour of study. And fundamentally, that's how you get fluent fast, okay? It's not this magic pill that you swallow. It is simply just a change of strategy and the reallocation of time, effort, and resources. So if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods, and you'll find it in the first link in the description.